Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do key signature in key of C major. So we're going to study about it and do some questions. So after this, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. So let's start. So if someone tells you that a piece of music in the key of C major, it means that the music you hear will mostly use the notes from the C scale of C major scale. Within any key, the first degree of scale where the register is called tonic. Grade 1 we need to know is also called do. Tunes often begin and ends with the result that the tonic sounds special. There is a C major scale going up. So you can see the tonic, the first degree you can name with the two of them, tonic on do. Same with the last one. There are two semitones in this. So let's find out. Let's do the questions. First is given here. We'll do the second one. Which note is the tonic in the key of C major? It's simple. C note. If you write a piece in key of C major, from which scale will you take most of the notes? From C major scale. Okay, give me 1 second. C major scale. If you listen to a piece in a key of C major, on which note will the music often begin and end? It's on C note. Or you say tonic, they are saying tonic note up. They have written here. Tunes begin and end on the with the result of that the tonic sound note. So you can write C note or you can add with that the tonic note. Okay. Next, write the scale of C major going up. Use semi-braves and number the degree of scales. So this is a bass clef. So let's start from C. Would start from here. We have to write in semi-brave C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Now this we have written going up. Use semi-brave. We have used number of degrees we have to use. So use first degree, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay. The circle, the C's in the scale you have written above and level them do. So here it is and here it is. Okay. Next, question number 2. Mark the semitone in the following music with a bracket. This these two and S for semitone. Okay. So let's find out the note first. So we'll write down the note first. So this is treble clef. We start from, this is our C, B, G, G, F, E, D, and C. So mark the semitones. So C to B is 0, and then F and E is a semitone. Okay, because they don't have any blackness in between them. Then we do next bass clef. So this is our C, this is E, F, G, 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 A, B, and C. Okay, so these two are the semitone and B and C is a semitone. So this is what we have done here in this topic. If you have any question related to this, do let me know in the comment section, and please share and subscribe, like as much as you can, so that more people can get the benefit of these videos. Yeah, so now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Thank you.